Can you do this? As early as your 40s, you may lose muscle and strength. Protein supports muscle health. Ensure Max Protein has 30 grams of high-quality protein to feed your muscles up to 7 hours. So take the challenge. Ensure.
On International Day of the Midwife, there is a call, or rather a renewed call, for more Jamaicans to enter the midwifery profession amid growing demand for maternal care. Former president of the Nurses Association of Jamaica and midwife at the Kingston Public Hospital, Patsy Edwards-Henry says expanding the workforce is critical to improving birth outcomes and strengthening primary health care services. Mrs. Edwards-Henry is urging young people to consider midwifery as a vital life-saving career that directly shapes the nation's future.
Professions who were identified in the Bible, and we were blessed because of our contribution back in those days. So today, as we pause, 1 million more midwives. That's the theme that we're working with today. It suggests and connotates that so many more midwives are needed. So today, as we celebrate, I encourage our younger generation to think about the profession. Think about the profession of midwifery. We need 1 million more midwives globally to ensure that we have safe deliveries.
The Black River Police are searching for a 30-year-old woman who has been missing from the Black River Hospital since Friday. She has been identified as Anika Kentish, who reportedly walked out of the facility Friday morning. The situation was confirmed by Parish Manager for St. Elizabeth Health Services, Sean Brissett. He said he is awaiting a report from on-duty staff before making further comment and expressed regret over the incident. Family members say she had shown signs of depression and was admitted to the female ward last week before her disappearance. Now, her partner, Andrew Green, says he is distressed and is demanding answers from the hospital. It is time for a break. Stay with us. More stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. It is now time for the Business Minute. Supreme Ventures is awaiting approval from the Bank of Jamaica to expand its third-party remittance network, a move that could increase its locations to about 80 by the end of the year. The expansion forms part of the company's growing push into financial services through its subsidiary Supreme Ventures Fintech. Further afield, the shockwave of the sudden collapse of Spirit Airlines is rippling through the travel industry for both passengers and employees. The discount carrier abruptly shut down operations and cancelled all flights on Saturday, going out of business after 34 years in operation. It is the first major U.S. airline in a quarter-century to go out of business due to financial problems. Thousands of air travelers stranded in recent days. In the wake of Spirit's shutdown, some airlines have offered capped ticket prices or rescue fares, most around $200, to help stranded Spirit passengers rebook flights. Spirit's employees are also getting hard hit by the airline shutdown. And that's it for the Business Minute. Time now for the top stories from around the world.
In the region, the Belize government has activated a drought response plan after forecasts show below average rainfall in the months ahead. The Agriculture Ministry, working with the National Met Service and the World Food Programme, will provide cash support to farmers in drought-prone areas. Officials say the early assistance will help farmers prepare by investing in water storage, irrigation, and drought-resistant crops. The move comes as El Niño conditions threaten more frequent and severe dry spells. And on the international scene, health experts say an unusual transmission method may have been involved in the recent hantavirus outbreak aboard a cruise ship. The CDC notes the virus typically spreads when people inhale particles from rodent urine or feces, often during cleanup. Experts maintain hantavirus is rare and the risk to the public remains low despite 3 recent deaths potentially linked to the virus. And those were the top regional and international stories. I'm Alia Bryant.
Thank you, Alia. We now head to our final break. When we come back, we'll have your midday sports report. Welcome back. We do apologize for the absence of our midday sports package, and that's the midday news. I'm Carrie Simpson. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.
Can you do this? As early as your 40s, you may lose muscle and strength. Protein supports muscle health. Ensure Max Protein has 30 grams of high-quality protein to feed your muscles up to 7 hours. So take the challenge. Ensure.